Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a very exciting video. If you've been on my channel for a while, you'll have seen me do this a couple of times in the past. If you're new, let me explain it quickly. Basically, this is a box from a brand called Social Network Solutions, and basically they send out boxes full of products from lots of different brands for people like me to show you guys and unbox. So in case you hadn't guessed, I'm going to be unboxing this today on camera, seeing what's in here, telling you guys about the brands inside from what I can pick up from the leaflets that I'm given, and it's just going to be an exciting video. And also all the brands will be linked in the description box. There might be some discount codes. All their social media handles as well will be down there as well. So if you are interested in anything, feel free to go and check the links. Also, I want to point out, if I lack any enthusiasm, I've literally had 3 hours of sleep or something. I was at a party last night and I couldn't sleep when I got home. I am going to unbox this box and see what's in here, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I finally got it out. Oh, I hate this angle. I feel like I'm too exposed. So this is the crate. I'm so excited. So guys, I've now propped this up so that you can see it, and I'm gonna start taking stuff out and telling you about it and seeing what it is. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go for this pink bag first. Don't know what's in here, obviously. Oh my god, this is from Bubble Tea. I've never had bubble tea before, but I really want to try it. Hi Rhiannon, hope you enjoy your products. Your subscribers can also enjoy 10% off with the code RHI10. Thanks, Bubble Tea. Okay, so I'm reaching in, and what is this? This looks like, yeah, like bath bombs, bath fizzers. And then I've got body spray, summer fruits tea. Let's spray this. Oh, that smells really nice. I really like that. With these bath pearls, each of them is filled with like oil to cleanse your skin. And they smell nice, and you only put a couple in the bath. I didn't even notice that these are macaroons. Oh my god. Thank you, Bubble Tea. That will all be linked down below if you want to purchase anything from their brand. It all looks really nice. I actually forgot to say, this box I think is like got some food in, but some beauty products as well. Like, it's a bit of a mix. So I can see some foodie bits here. These look like noodles, and I love noodles. These are called Slim Noodles. I think these are for weight loss, not gonna lie. I'm not trying to lose weight, but I found more in the box from this brand as well. I feel like they're trying to tell me something, you know. No, I'm joking. I've got a little ebook. This isn't an ebook, this is a book, and it's called Cook Yourself Slim. Also, there's lots of just different types of food in here that's meant to help you lose weight. So if I would need any meal inspo, I can look in here. If I've been eating unhealthy, and like obviously I'm not trying to lose weight, so I could add in some more unhealthy things if I wanted to. I absolutely love food, like literally love food so much. Right, let's look at these noodles because I feel like I've ignored them. Okay, oh, Thai style noodles. We're having Thai curry tonight, literally. I might ask my dad if he wants to put these in. Oh my god, they're vegan as well. Oh, all this is vegan. Oh, so this is like a ready meal. Oh, okay. If I'm ever home alone, I can't be bothered to cook, I've got something now. We've got ready to wok noodles. We've got Thai style noodles. We've got a vegetable Panang curry ready meal and a vegetarian pad Thai curry ready meal. I can see some more noodles in here. So we've got Mr. Lee's coconut chicken laska, Hong Kong street beef, and coconut chicken laska again. These look like pot noodles, but nicer. Not that I've ever tried a pot noodle before. I'm very proud of that. Oh, I'm interested to try these. It says gluten-free, no nasties. I think these are actually supposed to be nice then, because, I mean, I've never actually had a pot noodle myself, but they don't look very appetising. But I think these do look nice. Before I finish with the slim noodles, we found some slim rice, which is also vegan and ready to eat. Okay, I actually chose these out. So here I've got two things from the brand Caseapp, which is basically like a phone case brand, and I actually got sent stuff from them in my first box that I ever did with Social Network Solutions. So it's kind of a website where you can like upload a photo and get a phone case printed, but there's already loads on there that you can just order. The one that I've got on my phone right now is also from Caseapp, so you know, true fan. Oh, that looks nice. I'm going to switch it. And actually this has lasted so well. I've had it since March. I did take it off for a bit when I had some other phone cases sent to me, but I really like this one, so I changed it back. And it's not scratched, it's still in like perfect condition. So now I've got a marble one. Oh yes, I like that. And then here also, they asked me if I wanted a MacBook case, but as you guys probably know, I don't have a MacBook. I have this, which is really bad. The worst laptop ever, but my friend has a MacBook, so I asked her if she wanted a MacBook case and I ordered it for her. Yeah, so she picked out this MacBook case and it's like a watercolour tropical tree design thingamabob, so I'm going to give that to her tomorrow. So I've got two things here from the brand Bbold. I'm just going to read about their brand quickly. So you can get a discount code for this brand, which is Haul20, which will be down in the description box. I've been sent this, which is an extra dark mousse for... Is it a fake tan thing? Yeah, this is a fake tan. I've never fake tanned before, so I should try it. Okay, so this is what they've sent me here. A microfiber tanning mitt. I did wonder what this was, but it all makes sense now. Here it is. Oh my god, that's so weird. That's so weird. Right, I clearly have never fake tanned before. So, it looks like a kitchen glove. So I put the fake tan on here and then I rub it on myself. Oh my god, I'm such an expert. I might actually try that in winter when I look pale. I mean, I already do now, but when I look even more pale than I do at the moment. Okay, there's all the instructions for how to fake tan on here, which I definitely will need. Thank you very much for that, Bbold, and obviously, like everything else, they will be linked down below. Okay, so I've got some stuff here from the brand Mother Dirt, and when I was sent out the link to all the brands a couple of days ago about what I was getting sent, this was the brand that like I remember most. It sounds so cool. They haven't got a thing in the box, but it's basically like some sort of a good bacteria that means that you don't become dependent on products like deodorant as much. I don't really know the science behind it, but it sounded so cool, so I'm very excited about this. So this is a cleanser for face and body. I'm about to run out of my cellar water, so this is very useful. Clean skin without removing good bacteria, yes! I've got a cleanser for face and body here, and then here I've got a shampoo. I have literally just run out of shampoo as well. And then I've got a moisturiser. Oh, that looks exciting. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So this moisturiser says it replenishes important components typically removed with modern cleansing products for better looking, feeling skin. Yay! Okay, that sounds so cool. I'm actually really excited to try those. Thank you for sending me them. Okay, so I've got two more food things left. I've got a sauce that's apparently in a tomato and basil flavour. What brand is this from? Oh, it's from that Slim brand. I keep they sent me loads of stuff. And then I've got something here from Wildcrafted Natural, and it's a whole root turmeric paste. Great for curries, stir fries, smoothies, baking, golden mix and herbal tea. That sounds quite cool. So thank you very much for that. And that, I'll definitely use them. Someone's written me a letter from Willow, England. Oh my god, that's so cute. And I've got their brochure here as well and their product. Let me just open the letter. Oh my god. Okay, it says, Dear Rhiannon, we are delighted to introduce you to Willow Beauty, a natural and organic skincare company which has been championing effective organic skincare since 2007. I've been sent the vitamin facial oil from the new Sorbet Glow range. Loaded with lots of vitamins, and then it has more information on here about what it does. Apparently it's a natural alternative to Botox. Okay, basically what I've been sent here is like a facial oil, and it's supposed to have like instant effect, and lots of people have agreed, and oh, that's exciting. And it's got really pretty packaging. Oh my god, look at how cute that is. Oh, and there's a 30% discount code for you guys, which is 30 Rhiannon Beauty, which will be linked down below. So go and check that out if you're interested in trying this. This brand's aesthetic is literally beautiful. So I feel like this is like a luxury product or something, but it looks so nice. Thank you very much, Willow Beauty, for sending me this. I'm really excited to try it out. And this brand will be linked down below if you're interested in trying out any of these products. I've now got something from the brand Fillerina, and it says it's an eye and lip contour cream. Filler action on lips and eye contour grade 1. Okay, I'm intrigued. I've got a whole manual here, so it might take me a while to read through. Oh my god, it's got like full-on instructions. This is scary. Okay, so I think this is just some sort of like filler that you can do at home. This looks quite cool though. I will probably give this a go at some point and see how much it works, although I'm very scared now. Thank you very much, Fillerina, for sending me that. Okay, I've got a full-on box here from Willow Beauty, Clever Skincare and Cosmetics. Let's open it up. Oh wow, look at that. It's like a book. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I love that. It's like a full-on book. In here, inside this book, I've been sent a daylight cream and a body butter. Right, let me take these out. I can't get it out. Guys, I don't actually know if these are supposed to come out. It's confusing. I got it out. Okay, this is really cool. 10% of the profits from this brand go to charity. So on here it says each Willow Beauty product is designed to work together. They are formed around collections and housed in beautiful fine velvet books of your choice. These books are designed to keep, so they weren't supposed to come out, well done me, and be refilled with generous jars called refill chapters made of wonderful and heady natural ingredients. I kind of get the concept of this brand now. That's really cute. Oh my god. Thank you so much to Willow Beauty for sending these out to me. I'm really excited to try them, and I will put these back inside the book. Oh my god, I just dropped one. Okay, last but not least, I've got something from Laviish. I actually got an email from them because they have not been able to put their little card inside the box, so I'm gonna read it off my phone. Okay, so this is just like a teeth whitening thing, and I think you use it after your toothpaste, and it's natural, vegan, cruelty-free, all that sort of stuff, and it can like make your teeth up to 5 shades whiter. Ooh, that's quite cool. That looks like charcoal. Oh my god, it smells really nice. I really like the smell of that. How weird am I? Okay, and then I've got some skin vitamins which are supposed to keep your skin elastic, strong, and give it some pigmentation, blemish free, all that kind of jazz. So yeah, that's quite cool. Thank you very much, Laviish, for sending those out to me. And as you can see, our crate is now empty, and that is everything that I've been sent. Oh my god, this has actually been so fun. Thank you very much to Social Network Solutions for working with me to do this and putting the box together, and I've really enjoyed working with you again. And obviously thank you to all the brands for contributing, and most importantly to you guys for watching this and giving me the opportunity to have this happen. It's been a really fun video to film, obviously. Please let me know if you like watching these videos, because I feel like I have done, this will be my 3rd, so if you guys are enjoying them, please let me know. If not, please let me know as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video. Bye!